Hello and welcome you all. Myself, Dhananjay Patil, lecturer, KK Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about therapeutic pathology of blood and urine, part 2. We already covered the part 1 in previous video. So let's begin with lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are non-granular leukocytes present in blood and lymphoid organs and many tissues. Constitutes of 20 to 25% of leukocytes. Immunological classifications are B cells and T cells, or B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Functions of lymphocyte. T cell have thymus-specific antigen on surface, undergo blast transformation with phytohemagglutinin. B cells have immunoglobulins on their surfaces, have microvilli on their surfaces, undergo blast transformation with endotoxins. Abnormalities of lymphocytes. Lymphocytosis, lymphopenia, leukemia of lymphocytes, then lymphoma. Lymphocytosis. Absolute count exceeds 4 into 10 raised to 6 per ml. So this is lymphocytosis associated with pertussis, lymphatic leukemias, chronic infections, measles, mumps, rubella, and chickenpox. Lymphocytopenia. Absolute count less than 1.5 into 10 raised to 6 per ml. That leads to lymphocytopenia associated with administration of ACTC, adrenocorticotropic hormone, then advanced Hodgkin's disease, excessive radiations. Platelets or thrombocytes, round shaped cells with biconcave surfaces having diameter 2 to 4 micron, do not have nucleus, average lifespan of 5 to 10 days, and are destroyed by spleen. Normal count is 2 to 5 lakhs per cubic mm of blood. General functions of platelets. The function of platelets is the maintenance of hemostasis. Platelet helps in blood clotting, wound repair. Platelets secrete platelet-derived growth factor (PDGF), granule secretion, adhesion and aggregation, coagulation, cytokine signaling, phagocytosis, transport of enzymes and proteins critical to clotting, formation of platelet plug to slow blood loss, then contraction of a blood clot after it has formed, which then reduces the size of the vessel break. Abnormalities of platelets: thrombocytosis, idiopathic thrombocytopenia, idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura. Abnormal constituents of urine and their significance in diseases. Introduction. Urine is an excretory product of the body. It is formed in the kidney. Urine examination helps in the diagnosis of various renal as well as systemic diseases. So urine compositions are 0.05% ammonia, 0.018% sulfate, 0.12% phosphate, 0.6% chloride, 0.01% magnesium, 0.115 percentage of calcium, then 0.6% of potassium, 0.1% sodium, 0.1% creatinine, 0.03% uric acid, 2% urea, and 95% water. So these are the severe dehydration. If we take the intake of water less than this, then severe hydration, then very dehydrated, then fair, good, and good. If lots of water is intake. Urine analysis by physical examination, chemical examination, microscopic examination, microbiological examination. Urine analysis, physical examination. Appearance, normal fresh urine, clear is transferred, clear and transferred. Abnormal is cloudy urine. Indicate possible abnormal constituents such as white blood cell, epithelial cell, crystal, bacteria. Then stored urine with no preservative and no cooling may turn clear urine sample into cloudy urine. Chemical examination includes normal constituents of urine included inorganic constituents, chloride, sulfate, calcium, ammonia. Organic constituents included urea, creatinine, uric acid. Then abnormal constituents of urine pH, and then protein, reducing sugars, ketones, ketone body, bilirubin, urobilinogen, nitrites, occulted blood, then beta HCG, then certain drugs. These are abnormal constituents. Abnormal urinary substances, glucose. So the condition name is glycosuria. Possible causes are non-pathological, excessive intake of surgery, foods, sugary foods, pathologic diabetes mellitus, proteins, proteinuria, also called as albuminuria, non-pathological physical exertion, pregnancy, pathological glomerulonephritis, then hypertension, pus or WBC and bacteria, pyruvia, urinary tract infection, RBCs, hematuria, bleeding in the urinary tract due to trauma, kidney stones and infections, hemoglobin, hemoglobinuria, various transfusion reaction, hemolytic anemia. Bile pigment is bilirubinuria, liver diseases, or hepatitis. Define pathological urine. The pathological urine is defined as examination of urine by chemical, physical, or microscopic means. Urine analysis usually include performing chemical screening tests, determining specific gravity, observing any unusual color or odor, screening for bacteriuria, and examining the sediment microscopically. So this is called as pathological urine. Thank you so much.